Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. I have modeled this component in NX. This is the way it looks. Now we'll recreate this component using NX. To do that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, then specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. Now we'll model this component. First we'll start with this cylinder with a diameter of 70 mm. Just go to the sketch, choose the front plane, save OK. Take a circle, draw a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter is 70. Yes, press the roller to confirm. Then finish the sketch, extrude, make the symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 80. Save OK. Now we have created this cylinder. Then we will create this feature. For that, go to the sketch, front plane, save OK. Take a rectangle. Just create a rectangle here. Total length of the rectangle is 75. Say yes. And height is 25. Press the roller to confirm. Now make this rectangle symmetric to this x-axis. Say OK. Similarly, make this into y-axis also. Now the sketch is finished. Finish sketch. Extrude. Symmetric value. Unite. Total extrusion length is 80. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch, front plane, save OK. Now take the circle, press the roller to confirm. The diameter of the circle is 30 mm. Here they have given radius. This one is 30. Say yes. The center distance from here to here, which is 75 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Then take the line. Just make here as a tangent line. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly here, make a tangent line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Take the arc, center and ends. In the center point, just zoom it, connect with this point, and zoom, connect with this end point. Press the roller to confirm. Now trim the unwanted edges. Remove this one. And this one, these two are in tangent. Similarly, these two are in tangent. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Total length of extrusion is 10 plus 24 plus 10. Make it symmetric value. 10 plus 24 plus 10. Press enter. Save OK. Now we have created this feature. Then we just want to create this feature, this rib. For that, go to the sketch. Take this right plane. Save OK. take a line. Here, just click it here. Just click here. Press the roller to confirm. Again, press the roller to confirm. Here, from this point to here, they have given 75 minus 16. 75 minus 16. Press the roller to confirm. And from here to this distance, it is 40. Then this one is 18. This one is 24. Now just go for the finish sketch. We need to create a rib. It is showing error. What we need to do, just go to edit this sketch. Just extend this line to a little bit more. Press the roller to confirm. This value is 7. Then go for finish sketch. Go for rib again. Select this curve. Now it is creating the rib with a thickness of 10 mm. Save it. The same rib has to be mirrored in this direction also. For that, select this rib. Go to mirror feature. Choose the select the plane as this plane. Save OK. Both sides we have created this rib. Now we will go for the material removal feature. First we will start with this cut. For that, go to the sketch. Select this right plane. Save OK. Take a rectangle. Just create a rectangle here. Press the roller to confirm. Take one line. Here we will be having a center point of the circle. Just create one horizontal line. Press the roller to confirm. And go for this one. Specify this value. Make this as a construction line. Here they have given from the center of the circle to the bottom is 25. From here to this distance, which is 25. And this distance is 24. Make this as a symmetric one. This point, and this line. Save OK. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. Give some more value or just enlarge this here. Here make it subtract. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this cut also. Then we will create hole. For that, go to the hole. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Then you will get the hole. The diameter of the hole is 10 mm with 2 holes. Throughout the body, save it. Now it has created the hole. Similarly, we just want to create a hole here. Just move here. The diameter of the hole is 50. Normal to the face, throughout the body, just apply it. Just close it. Then we just want to create a 4 holes with dia of 80. For that, go to the sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Take one line. Use this point to create one line as well as here. Press the roller to confirm. Give some dimension. Here also provide some dimension. Then select these 2 lines. Make it construction. Take a circle. One circle here. Another circle here. Both the circles are equal dimension. And specify the diameter is 8 mm. And from the left side to from center point to the left side, the distance is 15. Similarly, from center point of the circle to here, the distance is 15. Press the roller to confirm. Go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Throughout the body. Subtract. Save OK. Just right click here. Orient view. Isometric view. Then we just want to create a round with a radius of 5. For that, go to edge blend, select this edge completely. Similarly here, select this edge, the radius is 5 mm. Here also select this edge, the radius is 5 mm. Save OK. Now just right click here, orient view, isometric. Similarly, this side also we need to make. Go to edge blend, here as well as here. Just save OK. Just right click here, orient view, isometric. In that, we have finished this model. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.